He's so cute. He's so cute.
What's up, little dude?
He's so cute. I do a FaceTime filter on it.
I do it.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey, man.
Guys, I have to get Fashion Nova with him. Him? How do you know it's a him? Because it is. Okay.
What if it's a good
Damn,
one?
look at that Fashion Nova.
You can.
Oh, he tried to bite you. It's like,
the fuck away from me.
guys, okay, everyone just get back. I think it feels frightened.
I think it's an old man if it's a man.
I think it feels frightened, guys. Hold on. Guys, comment down below the names that you would name this bird.
We're just taking pictures.
Well,
That's freaking me out now.
I want to pet it.
I
Really
don't know
bad.
if you know the name of this bird.
Maybe it's a robin.
I think it.
Oh my god.
Well, I'm just still in competition. Well, I'm just still in
I was trying to
competition.
get Fashion Nova with him. Staring competition.
I'm gonna play.
Hey, bird.
How do
The bird's gonna win, Jaden.
birds not blink? It's blinding my eyes. I can do that too.
Jaden, listen to your voice. Oh, never mind.
Hey.
Can I like poke at it?
No, don't poke at. Are you stupid?
Get a flat thing.
Oh my god,
Damn
yeah.
it. Get a
she is.
paper. Go get a paper or stick.
Here.
Stop, don't. Oh my god, it's gonna fly away. Sierra.
No, it's not.
It's not.
You're scaring me.
Sierra.
Oh my gosh.
It's nice. It's a nice
Oh my
cutie. Put it by its feet, and then it'll get on its feet.
I want to pet it too. Hold on, I'm gonna pet it, guys. Ready? Hold on.
It's mama.
Stop, 1% at a
Please.
time.
Okay, fine.
And you have to do it like so gently, like
Okay.
gently crazy.
Sierra's a
Sierra, can I go
mama.
after you? Sierra, can I
I
go?
want to pick it up so bad.
Sierra,
Put it
can I
by
go?
its feet.
Sierra, can
Put
I
it
try?
by its feet. Watch it. If you want to go, if it's trusted you, might go on it.
Oh. Sierra.
That's so cute.
Oh my god, it's stuck! Sierra, you're gonna make it
stuck.
Oh my god,
Chill.
it's hurt.
Chill.
It's hurt. It's
Chill.
Look at the hurt
Oh my
spot.
gosh.
Oh my god, Sierra,
it
look what you
definitely hurt.
did.
It definitely hurt.
Look what you did.
I didn't do anything.
At least
to
I
it.
got a million pictures with him.
Did you get that one with the injured?
When we fell in?
Yeah.
No, I didn't get it. I got right before it though.
I got it. I'm yeah, I'm posting this on YouTube.
All right.
Bye, birdie. That was cute.
Guys, he might come back. Just don't get your hopes up. We're gonna play a little basketball. Jane, can you record this?
Yeah, sure.
No, I don't trust you.
Let's play
Actually,
football.
me actually no basketball.
No, I want to play football.
Fine, I'm gonna play football. We're gonna play a little football. You know, that was a crazy scene.
Yeah, I got apples. You want to play sports all the time?
Okay.
In person, like at home.
Can you guys? Yeah. Okay. Maybe you
Over there.
could see me here.
The logic of that is that actually makes it.
Okay, I think this is good.
Okay. Good.
No, I throw farther, right?
Good. Yeah. Sister. What? Sierra. Okay, go down. Go two. Sierra, just throw it.
That's it. Can someone go in there, please?
Sister.
Hold on, I need my phone somewhere. Jaden, hold it. Don't press any other button. Just hold it on the pop socket, okay? Okay, hold on.
Sorry.
Ready? Let's see if I catch this. I
got that.
Okay? I'm sorry. Are you kidding me? Alright, I'm gonna throw. Ready? I'm bad at throwing too. I got you dancing. Dude! Like, watch Wolfo. Which watch Wolfo? Yeah, she's better at making things. Jaden, I'm gonna catch it. Probably not. Ow! You okay? Look at this. Damn, son. Ready? Yeah.
Throw up.
I'm sorry.
Watch Wolfo. Let's watch Wolfo.
Guys, let's not just. Okay.
Which one's still good for?
I'm ready.
That's spiral! And she catches! That's spiral! But, oh, that was an almost catch.
Can I?
Alright, guys. Alright. Jaden's going in. Ready, Sierra? Bruh.
Taking a picture. Taking a selfie. I'm gonna look at it like picture me. Dude!
Ooh, okay, we're gonna end this video here. We're just gonna do a couple of stuff. I really hope that bird comes back, guys. Like this video if you.
It's not even showing you. Well, it is, but
Yeah.
it's like too close to your face.
Anyway. So
All
see y'all
right, this
later.
is for the
Bye.
big one.
Big one? All right, we're gonna record this last one. Ready? Ready? Go! Ah! Oh my God!